In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build an event registration form with email confirmations, step by step, so you can start collecting RSVPs for your event without any hassle. And stick around until the end because I'll give you a quick tip on making your form even better. We'll be using software that's easy to set up, integrates well with your email platform, and delivers a seamless user experience. Before I get into it, I want to mention that I've tested all the most popular tools for creating event registration forms, and I've got an exclusive free trial for the software we're using today. You can find that link in the description below. Let's jump right in. First, log into the software and create a new form. You'll start by selecting event registration as your form type, or something similar depending on your software. It's typically an option right from the dashboard, so you'll have no trouble finding it. Once the event registration form is created, it's time to customize the fields. The basics you'll need are name, email, and phone number. You can add other fields depending on your event needs, like the number of guests, dietary preferences, or any other details you want to capture. Make sure you're using a clear, simple layout, especially for your form's confirmation page and any messaging. This way, registrants can easily check and update their information if needed. Next, we're setting up the email confirmations. This is where the magic happens. After they submit their registration, you want them to get an immediate confirmation email. In your software, look for the email settings or notification settings section and set up an automated response. The email should thank them for registering, provide them with event details, and remind them to keep an eye on any additional information coming their way. Don't forget to include a unique confirmation number or registration code that they can use to check in at the event. It helps make your process more professional and organized. Now, for the bonus tip, include a follow-up reminder email. After sending the initial confirmation, set a reminder email to go out a couple of days before the event. You can do this through the email automation settings in the software we're using. It's an easy way to ensure that your attendees show up, and it's a great opportunity to add any last-minute details about the event. Quick recap. We've gone over setting up the registration form with fields for name, email, and phone number. Then we set up the email confirmation process, so registrants immediately get an email with their registration info and any necessary event details. Lastly, we talked about using a follow-up email to remind attendees about your event. One key takeaway. A simple, effective event registration form with email confirmations is a game changer for both you and your attendees. It saves time, boosts professionalism, and ensures that your event runs smoothly. And before I wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've mentioned in the description. It's available only to viewers of this channel, and you can follow along with everything we've covered today. Thanks for watching.